Did you know digestive issues and fatigue are shockingly common? Nearly 40% of adults regularly struggle with tummy troubles, and millions more feel exhausted every day. Think about it. Have you felt bloated or drained lately? The culprit might be hiding in your diet, and it's more common than you'd think. Welcome to today's video. We're going to expose 3 toxic ingredients in everyday foods that could be wreaking havoc on your digestion and energy levels. These common diet culprits can lead to serious problems like chronic bloating, indigestion, and constant tiredness. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to watch out for and why removing these ingredients from your meals can make a huge difference in how you feel. The problem is, these toxic ingredients are everywhere. From your breakfast cereal and morning coffee creamer to that convenient microwave dinner or afternoon snack, they lurk in many foods we eat every day. Food companies use them because they're cheap and make products taste good or last longer on the shelf. But our bodies aren't built to handle large amounts of these unnatural additives. Over time, they irritate your digestive system, leading to gas, bloating, or even pain, and they mess with your body's metabolism and hormones, leaving you feeling sluggish and worn out. It's a vicious cycle. You feel bad, reach for a quick fix snack that probably contains more of these ingredients, and end up feeling even worse. This challenge is huge because many people don't even realize what they're eating might be the reason behind their constant stomach issues and fatigue. Let's break down the 3 specific toxic ingredients causing these issues and why you should avoid them. Refined sugar, especially high fructose corn syrup. This sneaky ingredient is found in sodas, candies, sweet cereals, and even store-bought sauces and breads. Refined sugars flood your body with a quick energy rush, then slam you into a crash, leaving you more tired than before. They also feed unhealthy bacteria in your gut, which can lead to bloating, gas, and unstable digestion. In short, too much added sugar means roller coaster energy and an upset stomach. Artificial sweeteners, like aspartame and sucralose, often hiding in diet or sugar-free foods such as diet sodas, sugar-free gum, and low-calorie desserts, these fake sugars can be just as troublesome. They might have 0 calories, but they can confuse your body and taste buds. Many people report bloating, gas, or even headaches after consuming artificial sweeteners. Why? These chemicals can disrupt the healthy bacteria in your gut and may trick your metabolism, which in turn makes you feel sluggish and achy instead of energized. So that guilt-free diet soda might not be so innocent after all. Trans fats and hydrogenated oils. These are unhealthy fats found in some fried fast foods, margarine, non-dairy coffee creamers, and packaged baked goods like pastries or cookies. Food makers use them to improve texture and shelf life, but trans fats are very hard for our bodies to digest. They can cause inflammation and internal irritation that not only upsets your stomach, but also drains your energy. If you've ever felt heavy or slow after eating a fast food meal or a pack of chips, the trans fats and cheap oils in those foods are a big reason why. They basically clog up your system, making both digestion and energy production a lot less efficient. Here's the most eye-opening part. These ingredients often hide in foods we consider okay or even healthy. That's right, you might be consuming them daily without realizing it. For example, imagine you swap regular soda for a diet soda to be healthier. Surprise! The artificial sweetener in that diet drink could be triggering your bloating and fatigue more than the sugar would. Or think about a granola bar labeled low-fat. It might have extra sugar to make up for the flavor, causing you a sugar crash an hour later. One shocking example is how artificial sweeteners can disturb the balance of friendly bacteria in your gut. When that balance is off, your digestion suffers and you feel sluggish. Many people have found that once they cut out these toxic ingredients, their constant stomach aches disappeared and their energy levels shot up. It's pretty powerful evidence. Remove the junk, and your body can finally function without fighting against these harmful additives. This is the key moment of realization. Understanding that what we eat directly connects to how often we're running to the bathroom or how often we need an afternoon nap. And the good news is, You have control over it. Let's recap the 3 toxic ingredients you should try to remove from your diet. Refined sugars, like high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, like aspartame, sucralose, and trans fats, hydrogenated oils. These common additives might make foods tasty or convenient, but they're hurting you from the inside by messing up your digestion and sapping your energy. By being mindful and cutting these out, you're likely to feel a big improvement, a happier gut and more energized you. Now I want to hear from you. Have you noticed digestive issues or fatigue after eating any of these ingredients? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story might help someone else realize what's been affecting them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to better eating and more energy.